Hey guys, welcome to an incredible view. This is in a place called Ez near Monaco, and while I was sitting here and working, I was just going through my questions that so many of my students give me, and more so the questions that people give me before they come onto Fortune Academy for their Forex training or the Fast Track Forex course. Number one, brokers. Brokers are not your friend. Now, this is where the industry gets ruined, completely ruined, because people think that it's all about the broker, and the broker is my friend, and the broker is giving me good advice. I'm going to give you a very quick piece of advice. The broker is not your friend. They make money when you lose. So think about it. Are they going to give you the right advice? Anything in your favor? No. So stop listening to brokers when it comes to the trading style, when it comes to providing services from a broker like signal services or managed accounts, copy trading. I'm telling you now, all of that stuff is designed for brokers to make money out of your losses, and they'll just pretend to be your friend and ring you up and, you know, give you all sorts of like friendly conversation, because they know you're going to be in a vulnerable place after you've lost money, and you're going to just keep depositing more and more and more so that eventually they win. So please just forget the brokers. You need a broker. I teach you how to pick a broker. So how you pick a broker is very simple. I'll be honest with you, there's no difference between any of them. They all do the same thing, just disguised in different branding and different functionality. All you want to do is, number one, find out, can you put your money in, and is it safe? Is it regulated? Or not. If it's not regulated, that's a bit of a risk. So I teach people about the two types of broker types. And then secondly, when you take a withdrawal out, is it fast, or are you kind of having to listen to broker excuses about, oh, we can't give you money right now, it should, you know, that's a bad sign. So make sure that when you make a withdrawal from your profits, you get it instantly in your account. If there's any problem in any of those areas, then you need to really watch one of my videos, especially on my Fast Track Forex course. I give you a full module on how to pick a broker, all the ugly sides to it, the good side, the bad side, the ugly, whatever. I give you all that information. It's on my Fast Track Forex course. So if you really need extra help, you probably need that course. Signal providers, like signal service, like managed accounts, be very careful of that, because signal service is something that means, usually it's a high frequency trading thing, that means that you can, they give you this false hope of you're going to be guaranteed to make profits, or look at the before and afters. Unless you know the strategy behind the signal providing, like, you should do it yourself, you know. So I'm very blatant about this. If I ever put out anything like a signal service, I would tell you the strategy beforehand, and then you would be able to choose. I would prefer you manually trade. The signal service is really for those lazy traders who don't want to learn, who don't want to understand risk management. They just want to have money put in and then just see what happens. But I would stay away from them unless you know the strategy. Need to trade in a peak state. Now that means there should not be any noise around you. You should ideally have plugged in headphones with like chilled out music. You should do this when you've got no distractions, no phones, no emails, no Facebook, no social media of any sort. Like, don't trade while you're in the middle of having lunch, or don't trade while you're in the middle of having a conversation. Like, that's the sure way to fail. So peak state in trading is super important, and if you want to be a good trader, of course I teach you how to get to peak state in your trading. It's all about risk management, guys. Everything comes down to that. You could have any strategy, good, whatever, average, but if your risk management is not there, you're never going to make money. So it always comes down to risk management. Please make sure your risk management is on point. I teach the rolling risk management system, which, to be honest, I give you as part of anyone who buys my Fast Track Forex program. Get the rolling risk management in there. Guys, if you want to have proper trading knowledge, you need to get a mentor. That means, like, get someone who knows what they're doing. I learned from a trader in London, and it fast tracks my Forex progress. Before that, I was self-taught. I was trying to do things myself. I lost 200 grand in 2 days. Like, come on, like, how much money do you want to lose before you realize you don't know what you're doing unless you get the help? Self-taught means burning money, and just doing it with a mentor means you accelerate your learning to a point where you just learn faster, and you learn the good stuff and you get rid of the bad stuff. A mentor will tell you what's not good to do, and that's probably more valuable than all the good stuff. Like, just telling you don't do that, you're going to lose money, is more valuable than burning your own money and getting the lesson yourself. Because by doing that, you will get to a point where you get really disheartened and you just think, I can't do this, this is a sham, Forex doesn't work, and you're just going to believe all the bad stuff out there. You need to do it properly, and that's why you need to do the Fast Track Forex course. So if you need my help, I make it so easy for you guys to get onto the Fast Track Forex course. It's dead cheap compared to all my other training programs, which I make people invest into. They're lifetime training. You get a lifetime training option with Fast Track Forex. Still very, very affordable. I've done that on purpose so that everybody has an opportunity to learn proper trading. You get a full strategy, you get the risk management, you get all the psychology, you get all the background, you get all the information about brokers so that you never have to worry about your decisions when it comes to brokers. Get on it, guys. Honestly, what are you waiting for? Learn Forex properly, learn with the Fast Track Forex program. See you guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, just let me know. Subscribe to my video, and I have plenty more coming up like this, and ring the bell so you get a notification every time a new video is up. See you soon. Bye for now.